a process of synchronizing our aspirations with the celestial bodies and transforming our fantasies into tangible realities. The road to manifestation is not a simple straight path. It's more akin to a celestial replete with surprising bends, spirals, and diversions. Picture this. You're a hopeful pianist yearning for a grandiose concert. The universe, however, doesn't just hand you a packed auditorium. It first scrutinizes your determination. Are you investing enough hours into mastering your craft? Can you keep your calm amidst repeated failures? Are you prepared to literally face the music? Only once you navigate these tests with grace, the universe will swing open the gates to your dream concert. The universe doesn't merely gamble with fate. Each challenge hurls our way as a piece of a larger cosmic puzzle. These are not just obstacles, but lessons, examinations we must pass to demonstrate our unwavering commitment to our aspirations. These challenges are akin to a celestial screening process. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, seeks to ensure that we are ready to shoulder the burdens of our desires once they come to life. Desires are not mere whims. They symbolize responsibilities, duties that demand our time, vigor, and frequently, a transformed version of ourselves. The cosmic journey towards manifestation is dotted with such challenges. At times they may seem insurmountable, almost impossible to conquer. Nevertheless, these are not impediments. They are celestial stepping stones, designed to kindle growth, to prompt you to outside your comfort zone, and prepare you for the magnificent manifestation that awaits you. Think of the universe as a wise teacher, setting up exams to measure your readiness. Just as a teacher tests their students to ensure they've understood the lessons taught, the universe too sets up its own unique tests. These tests are designed to measure our commitment to our desires, to gauge our readiness for the manifestation we seek. In the grand classroom of life, these universal tests come in various forms. They could be challenging situations that test our resilience, or unexpected roadblocks that assess our determination. They might be moments of doubt that gauge our faith, or instances of setback that examine our ability to bounce back. Often these tests may seem insurmountable. They may push us to our limits, making us question our ability to manifest our desires. But it's crucial to remember that these tests aren't punishments or barriers. They are in fact stepping stones, guiding us towards our ultimate goal. These trials are akin to the universe asking us, how much do you want this? Are you ready to fight for your dreams? They are a measure of our commitment, our desire, and our readiness to embrace the manifestation we seek. The path to manifestation is not a straight line. It's a winding road, filled with twists and turns, ups and downs. It's a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and faith. The universe tests us to ensure we are prepared for this journey, that we possess the resilience and determination necessary to navigate it. In the end, these tests serve a vital purpose. They prepare us for the manifestation we seek. They help us grow, learn, and evolve. They make us stronger, wiser, and more resilient. They take us one step closer to becoming the best version of ourselves. So the next time you encounter a challenging situation or an unexpected roadblock, remember this. It's not an obstacle, but a test. A test designed by the universe to prepare you for the manifestation of your dreams. Remember, these tests are not meant to deter you, but to prepare you for what's to come. As we navigate this journey, let's embrace these tests with open hearts and minds, knowing they are stepping stones on our path to manifestation. Overcoming these trials is like unlocking a vault to your desires. Now let's delve into that a bit more. Imagine the trial set by the universe as a series of locks on a vault. The vault holds all your deepest desires and dreams, waiting to be manifested into reality. Each trial is a lock, and overcoming each one is the key to unlocking it. With every lock you open, you inch closer to your desires. But how does this work? Let's start by understanding that trials aren't meant to punish or deter us. Instead, they're designed to strengthen us, to make us more resilient, and to kindle our determination. They're like the heat that forges steel, making it stronger and more durable. As we face and conquer these trials, we grow. We become stronger, more resilient, and more determined. Now you may wonder, why do I need to be stronger or more resilient? I just want my desires. Well, think about it. Your desires aren't just things or situations. They're a manifestation of a reality where you're a different version of yourself. A version that's capable of handling and appreciating these desires. Trials help you become that version. They help you grow into a person who's ready to receive and nurture your deepest desires. They prepare you for the responsibilities and the joys that come with them. What's more, these trials also serve as a compass, guiding you towards your true path. They bring clarity, helping you understand what you truly desire and what you're willing to endure to manifest it. They're not obstacles, but stepping stones leading you towards your desired reality. Each trial you overcome, therefore, isn't just a victory. It's an evolution, a transformation into a stronger, wiser, and more resilient version of yourself. It's a sign that you're ready to handle what you desire, that you're ready to make your dreams your reality. So embrace these trials. See them not as burdens, but as opportunities for growth, as challenges that bring out the best in you. Remember, each test you overcome brings you one step closer to your desired reality. So face them with courage, overcome them with determination, and unlock the vault to your desires. Manifestation isn't just about achieving what you desire, it's about becoming a new version of yourself. This journey we embark upon, this path to manifestation, is not just about attaining our desires. It is a transformative process, one that molds us, shapes us, and ultimately metamorphoses us into a new version of ourselves. A version that's more in tune with our desires, more aligned with our true essence, and more connected to the universe. Think of a caterpillar, cocooned in its chrysalis. It doesn't merely grow wings and emerge as a butterfly, it undergoes a complete transformation. Its old self is broken down, and from this chaos, a new form is born. This is what manifestation does to us. It breaks us down, challenges us, and from the ashes of our old self, a new, more powerful, more enlightened version of us rises. The process of manifestation is a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. It's about stripping away the layers of self-doubt, fear, and limiting beliefs that have held us back. It's about uncovering our true potential, our deepest desires. It's about standing in our power, embracing our essence, and stepping into the version of ourselves that the universe knows we can be. We often think of manifestation as a one-way street, a linear path towards our desires. But it's more of a spiral, a labyrinth. Each turn, each twist, each dead end is an opportunity for growth, for learning, for transformation. And as we navigate this labyrinth, we become more resilient, more patient, more understanding, we become better. But remember, this transformation is not a destination, it's a journey. It's not about becoming perfect, it's about becoming more of who we really are. It's about aligning our thoughts, our feelings, our actions with our deepest desires. It's about becoming a vibrational match for what we want. So, embrace this transformation. Welcome the challenges, the trials, because they are not obstacles, they are stepping stones. They are the fire that forges you into the version of yourself that can manifest your desires with ease. You'll find that the journey of manifestation is as rewarding as the destination. The universe isn't just testing us, it's also encouraging us. This statement may seem paradoxical, but it's the beautiful truth that underpins our journey of manifestation. The universe, in its infinite wisdom and love, wants us to succeed, to thrive, to achieve our deepest desires. But it wants us to do so authentically as our truest selves. Let's consider a diamond. A diamond starts as a humble piece of coal, undergoing an intense process of heat and pressure to transform into a precious gem. The universe operates in a similar way, guiding us through experiences that challenge us, to mold us into the best versions of ourselves. It's these trials that shape us, that reveal our brilliance, just like the diamond. In this journey, the universe isn't a stern teacher, rather it's a wise and loving mentor. It doesn't throw obstacles in our path out of spite or to punish us. No, it places these challenges to push us beyond our comfort zones, to help us grow and evolve. It's through these trials that we discover our strengths, our passions, our truest selves. But remember, the universe doesn't leave us to face these trials alone. It's constantly encouraging us, nudging us forward. It's like a lighthouse, its beacon always guiding us towards our goals, even in the darkest of nights. It sends us signs, synchronicities, and gut feelings, all to guide us in the right direction. So when you're in the midst of a trial, don't despair. Instead, remind yourself that this is the universe's way of encouraging you to grow, to evolve, to become the person you're meant to be. Embrace these challenges, for they are not obstacles but stepping stones leading you to your deepest desires. And as you navigate this journey of manifestation, remember to trust in the universe. Believe in its wisdom, its guidance, its encouragement. For the universe, in its infinite love and wisdom, wants nothing more than for you to succeed, to thrive, to become the best version of yourself. Remember, the universe is always cheering you on your journey of manifestation.